Farming. It's not just about mud and wellies, you know. It's a sophisticated dance between man, machine, and nature. It's about feeding the world, and that's a pretty big deal. Every meal on every table starts with the hard work of farmers. From the first time a bloke decided to swap his digging stick for something a bit more efficient, we've been on a quest to make farming more productive. This journey has been marked by countless innovations and breakthroughs. And let me tell you, things have come a long way. The progress we've made is nothing short of extraordinary. We've gone from horse-drawn plows to tractors that practically drive themselves. These machines are marvels of engineering, designed to maximize efficiency and minimize labor. Remember those old films where farmers would spend all day bent over, planting seeds by hand? It was backbreaking work, and it took forever. Well, those days are about as gone as my hairline. Today, the landscape of farming has transformed dramatically. Today, we've got machines that can plant, fertilize, and even harvest crops with incredible speed and accuracy. These machines are not just tools, they are technological wonders. But it's not just about bigger, faster machines. It's about smarter machines that can adapt to the needs of the crops and the environment. The real revolution is happening in the brains of these machines. They are equipped with advanced technology that allows them to make decisions on the fly. Sensors, data analysis, artificial intelligence. It's all coming together to make farming more efficient and sustainable than ever before. These innovations are helping farmers to use resources more wisely and reduce waste. Now, I know what you're thinking. Jeremy, this all sounds terribly complicated, and you're not wrong. But the complexity is what makes it so fascinating. But trust me, this new wave of agricultural technology is about to make farming a whole lot more interesting and a whole lot more important for all of us. The future of farming is bright, and it's something we should all be excited about. First up, let's talk tractors. Tractors have been the backbone of farming for generations, evolving from simple machines to complex, powerful tools that help farmers feed the world. Now, I love a good tractor as much as the next bloke. The smell of diesel, the roar of the engine, it's all part of the charm. But even I can admit that these new autonomous tractors are something else. They represent a leap forward in agricultural technology, blending tradition with innovation. Imagine a tractor that can plow a field, plant seeds, and even spray crops all by itself, without a driver in sight. It's like having a tireless farmhand that never needs a coffee break. That's what we're talking about here. These machines are not just tools, they're revolutionizing the way we think about farming. These driverless wonders are packed with sensors, GPS technology, and enough computing power to make your head spin. They can detect obstacles, adjust their path, and ensure every inch of the field is covered. They can navigate fields with pinpoint accuracy, working day and night without needing a break. Rain or shine, these tractors keep going, ensuring that the work gets done efficiently. And because they follow pre-programmed routes, they eliminate the risk of human error, like, say, accidentally plowing over your prize-winning pumpkin patch. Precision farming at its finest. Now, I know what you're thinking. What about the jobs, Jeremy? It's a valid concern and one that many people share, and it's true, this technology could mean fewer people working in the fields. But it's not all doom and gloom. But look at it this way. With fewer manual tasks, farmers can focus on more specialized jobs like managing data, optimizing crop yields, and ensuring the sustainability of their farms. This shift could lead to new opportunities in agricultural technology and data analysis, creating a more efficient and sustainable farming industry for the future. Next up, let's talk about something that might seem a bit mundane but is actually dead important: mulch film. Mulch films are a crucial part of modern agriculture, playing a significant role in crop production and soil management. You know, that black plastic stuff you often see covering fields. It's everywhere, from small family farms to vast agricultural enterprises. It helps retain moisture, suppress weeds, and even regulate soil temperature. This means plants can grow more efficiently, using less water and fewer herbicides. Problem is, traditional plastic mulch film takes ages to break down, leaving behind bits of plastic that can harm the environment. These remnants can persist in the soil for years, causing long-term damage. Enter biodegradable mulch film. This clever stuff is made from plant-based materials like cornstarch or potato starch. These materials are renewable and sustainable, making them an eco-friendly alternative. It does all the same jobs as traditional plastic mulch film, but with one major advantage. It breaks down completely after a few months, leaving no harmful residues behind. This means it integrates back into the soil, enriching it rather than polluting it. Now you might be thinking, Jeremy, is this biodegradable stuff strong enough to withstand the elements? Can it handle the wind, rain, and sun just like traditional plastic mulch? And the answer is a resounding yes. It's been rigorously tested to ensure it can endure various weather conditions, from heavy rains to scorching sun. It's designed to be tough enough to last through an entire growing season, providing all the benefits of traditional mulch film without the environmental hangover. Farmers can rely on it to protect their crops and improve yields. This means healthier soils, less plastic waste, and a happier planet. What's not to like? By switching to biodegradable mulch films, we can make a significant positive impact on our environment, ensuring sustainable farming practices for future generations. Section 4, Data-Driven Decision Sensors and AI Optimize the Harvest. Now let's talk about the brainy side of things. These days, farms are becoming high-tech hubs, with sensors collecting mountains of data on everything from soil moisture and nutrient levels to weather patterns and crop health. This information is like gold dust for farmers, allowing them to make smarter decisions about irrigation, fertilization, and pest control. And that's where artificial intelligence comes in. AI algorithms can crunch through all that data faster than you can say supercomputer. They can identify patterns, predict potential problems, and even suggest solutions, helping farmers optimize their yields and reduce waste. It's like having a team of agricultural experts on call 24/7, whispering secrets about how to get the most out of every acre. With AI on their side, farmers can fine-tune their operations to an astonishing degree, ensuring that every drop of water, every ounce of fertilizer, and every hour of labor is used as efficiently as possible. Section 5. Precision Farming, targeting inputs for maximum yield and minimal waste. Precision farming is all about doing more with less. It's about using technology to target inputs like water, fertilizer, and pesticides exactly where they're needed, instead of just spraying them willy-nilly across the entire field. This not only saves farmers money, but also minimizes the environmental impact of farming. Imagine a world where every plant gets exactly the right amount of water and nutrients it needs to thrive. That's the promise of precision farming. By using sensors, GPS technology, and sophisticated software, farmers can create detailed maps of their fields, identifying areas that need a little extra TLC. This targeted approach means less waste, lower costs, and a healthier environment. It's a win-win-win situation, really. No more over-fertilizing, no more wasting water, and healthier crops for everyone. It's enough to make a farmer do a little jig in the field.